let's take a moment now to talk about immutable values in F#. Immutability is a property of a language that restricts your capacity to reassign parameter values. F# is a language that employs immutability, and what that means is that once you define a variable and assign that to a value, you cannot change that variable unless you have a special property of it. And this allows you to know with full certainty that a variable will not change, so it has the property of making your code more safe. And we're going to have a look at how you implement this right now. So we will just start an F# interactive session right here, and we will define some variable, let's call it a, and we give it a value of 1, like this. If I try to now reassign this value, which I would do with the following command, so this is how you would reassign it. If I try to execute the above, what you're going to see is we get an error, and this is because the value is not mutable, so we're not allowed to reassign the value. What I would do if I wanted to actually create a variable that I can reassign is I would write let mutable a equals 1, and then I would be able to reassign this to a value of 2 if I wanted to. So we can see here that the above actually evaluated properly, and we can see that the value here is a mutable a of type int that has a value of 2. And that's why you can create programs in F# that are very safe, because you know once you've defined a variable like this, you are not allowed to reassign that, or you would get an error.